What if one tool could replace your entire content team? Blaze AI promises to write your posts, design your graphics, and manage your social media calendar 24/7. Sounds like every creator's dream, right? But after testing it against the individual tools it claims to replace, the results might surprise you. Let's find them out. Blaze AI is an all-in-one content creation platform that combines social media management, graphic design, and AI writing into one interface. It learns your brand voice from your website, creates custom content strategies, and can automatically post across all your social channels while you're sleeping. Key features. Here's what actually matters. Brand voice creation analyzes your entire website to match your unique tone and style. No more generic AI copy. Social media autopilot creates and schedules posts across Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter automatically. Built-in Canva alternative offers thousands of templates for graphics, thumbnails, and social posts. Content calendar management handles scheduling and analytics like HotSuite, but integrated seamlessly. 50 plus content types from blog posts and YouTube scripts to email campaigns and ad copy. Plus, WordPress integration publishes blog content directly to your website. If you're liking this content so far, please hit that subscribe button. By the way, I've got a special 7-day free trial link in the description that gives you full access to explore everything I'm talking about today. Let's move on to pricing. Blaze offers straightforward monthly billing at $65 per month. But here's where it gets interesting. With longer commitments, 3-month plans drop to $52 monthly with 20% savings. 6-month plans cost $49 monthly with 25% off. And 12-month plans hit $46 monthly with 30% savings. 18-month plans offer the best value at $43 monthly with 35% off. All plans include one workspace member, unlimited weekly content, custom strategy, and 24/7 human support. Pros. The brand voice feature generally creates content that sounds like you wrote it. Social media management rivals expensive tools like Sprout Social, templates, and design features work surprisingly well for the non-designers. The learning curve is minimal. Even beginners can start creating immediately. Cons. Word limits feel restrictive compared to other AI writing tools. 100,000 words on basic plans disappears quickly. No transparency about which AI models power the outputs. Higher pricing than standalone tools if you only need writing assistance. So in conclusion, Blaze AI is better for content creators and small business owners who want an all-in-one solution and don't mind paying premium prices for convenience. If you're juggling multiple tools and want everything just unified under one dashboard, it delivers solid value. However, advanced users comfortable with ChatGPT Plus and separate tools might find it limiting. You can find useful links in the description down below. Thanks for watching.